Discover the hidden treasure, exploring the health benefits of radicchio. In the world of vibrant and nutrient-dense vegetables, radicchio stands tall. This crimson beauty, a member of the chicory family, is more than just a pretty garnish on your plate. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. Radicchio, with its unique bitter taste, is a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in fiber, it aids in digestion, ensuring your gut stays healthy. A happy gut means a stronger immune system, and who wouldn't want that? But that's not all. Radicchio is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, E, and K. These vitamins are not only essential for overall health but also contribute to the improved function of your vital organs. And did you know? Radicchio is also a great source of antioxidants. These fight off harmful free radicals in your body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. This makes radicchio not just a vegetable, but a weapon for your body. It doesn't stop there. Radicchio is a low-calorie option for those watching their weight. With just 9 calories per cup, it's a guilt-free addition to your meals, providing you the nutrition without the extra weight. The best part? Radicchio is not just a health food. With its slightly bitter, spicy flavor. This versatile vegetable adds a delightful crunch to salads, a unique flavor to pasta, and is a tasty topping on pizzas. Radicchio can be a star ingredient in your culinary journey. Embrace the bitter, enjoy the health benefits, and fall in love with the unique taste of radicchio. Radicchio, your health's best friend. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.